हाँ।
Okay, so let us come for the further topic combination of resistors, series and parallel. That is combination of resistors, series and parallel. Series and parallel. Okay, as we know that the current through a single resistors or across which there is a potential difference V is given by V is equal to I R. That is Ohm's law. Ohm's law. Okay. So the number of resistors can be taken and connected in series as shown in figure R1 and R2, and the third is R3. As we are showing R1, R2, R3 are connected end to end, and that is the second end of the first resistor is connected with the first end of the second, and second end of the second resistor is connected to the first end of the third, and finally they are connected with the terminals of a battery showing in the circuit diagram, and this is ammeter along with a key is connected in the series. As soon as the current starts to flow, I reaches through R1, the same current flows through the R2 and R3 also. As R1, R2, R3, they are combined in series order. What happens when the potential V is applied by the battery? It gets dissolved in V1 in the R1, V2 in the R2, and V3 in the resistor R3. Total current always remains same in the circuit, whereas electric potential varies according to strength of the resistors shown in the figure. That is, total electric potential V is equal to V1 plus V2 plus V3. In case of V1, we can write I upon, sorry, okay, V is equal to I R1 okay, I R1 plus I R2 plus I R3. Which law holds? Ohm's law. That is V is equal to I R. We can put it in the place of V as I R equal to, I can be taken as common, R1 plus R2 plus R3. Okay, I gets cancelled out. So I lower subscript as S. S stands for series. And you know that RS is equal to, here becomes R1 plus R2 plus R3. This is the formula that we are getting here Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3, where Rs is called equivalent resistance of the circuit in series order. You can find out it. Okay. So the next is parallel. Okay. As we know that resistors are said to be connected in parallel as shown in figure. Here you can find out in more convenient way, that is from A to B. We can also make it as shown in figure. I, that is okay, I current reaches in two branches of resistors R1 and so this is R1. Okay, R1 and this is R2, and the same current is reaches here at the point B, I. Okay, ultimately both are connected with the terminals of a battery as shown in diagram. Suppose the I current reaches at this point A, this is A, divides into two branches I1 and I2, I1 and I2. Hence the total current I equal to I1 plus I2. As we know that V is equal to IR, we can write from Ohm's law I1 plus I2 equal to total current I. From here we can write I equal to V upon R. Hence V upon R equal to V upon R1 plus V upon R2 and so on. That is V upon R equal to, V can be taken as common, 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. V getting cancelled out from both the side. Finally, as a result, V 1 upon R equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Because the order in parallel order, hence lower subscript RP and stands for resistances connected in parallel. 1 upon R3 is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. This is the formula for the combination of electric resistances in parallel order. All the domestic wiring is done in the parallel order because we want to minimize the electric resistances and want to get more electric current in a convenient way. That is why all the electrical circuits and combinations wirings are done in the domestic home appliances in a parallel order. Did you understand? Okay. Next, the combination is totally exactly based on the conservation of electrical energy. Electrical energy. We can find out exactly in a more convenient way. There are number of combinations as shown in figure, and these factors can be discussed in a more convenient way. Suppose I am giving an example of calculating the equivalent resistance in the circuit. How? Suppose this is the resistance of 10 ohm connected along with the 10 ohm. This is the R1 and this is the R2, and along this parallel 5 ohm connected, and both the terms are connected with the cell, positive and negative terminals. What is the equivalent resistance of this circuit? How can we find out the equivalent resistance of this circuit? First we see 10 ohm and 10 ohm. 10 ohm and 10 ohm are in series. And Rs equal to R1 plus R2. Hence Rs is equal to 10 ohm plus 10 ohm, getting 20 ohm. Rs. This is equation 1. Now Rs and 5 ohm are in parallel. Now Rs and 5 ohm are in parallel. Hence equivalent resistance 1 upon Rp equal to 1 upon 20 plus 1 upon 5. This is 20, and you can solve it. 1 plus 4 and 5 upon 20. This is equivalent to 1 upon Rp. You can solve it. 5 1 is 5, 4. 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon 4, and finally Rp equal to 4 ohm. Hence the equivalent resistance of this entire circuit becomes Req equal to 4 ohm. This is the very simplest way you can calculate the ultimate resistance of the electrical circuit, and you can discuss the forthcoming aspects in a very convenient way. And I would like to say finally that if you are getting the most upgrade and new ideas from this lecture, I would suggest you to like my video and subscribe it for getting the new upcoming channels, upcoming videos. Thank you very much.